out of our comfort zone here, but like I said, we got a lot of land to work with here. So, and it's a beautiful day. It's like 50, sunny, there's a light wind blowing.
About 300 yards from the truck, I'm already sweating.
We have a hike up here just to get to turkey country, but should be good, should be worth it. Get up here to the trees. Kind of got a spot picked out. There's a cut up here that's, a lot of the stuff's super steep. There's like some flatter spots up here, it looks like. Get up in there and start hiking in and do some calling and see what happens. And like I said, we've got so much ground to work with. It's just absolutely overwhelming. So we'll try this place out, and if we decide to, go check out some other spots. Tell you what, the terrain out here really messes with a guy. What looks like a 500-yard walk is more like a freaking 1,500-yard walk, maybe more. But I got some flat ground now, it's not as bad, but I'm gonna sneak up into some of that stuff there. Do some calling, we'll run a gun in and call every 100 yards or so and just keep working south. Looks really good up there, but this is close here, so we're just gonna hop in it. happened on my first shot?
I don't, the film's not great.
That's okay.
I can just see his head.
I know. And he stopped and put his head up. I think he saw one of us. Okay, we can go kill him. Can I leave him here? slip. I think we can go down here.
I just don't want what happened to yours. We move on and Money's coming.
He's spooked now is the thing. Somewhat, anyway.
Move on him.
It's your call.
What do you think?
I'd probably move closer. Stay down here at the bottom, though. Damn, boy.
Mountain bird down, baby. Holy cow, dude.
Oh my gosh. Look at that boy. I heard him drum when you did. I was like, oh, that was a drum, and it was really close. And then you were looking at me, and then I looked down here, and I saw that hen walk across. I was like, oh.
I'm sitting there going like this. Cause my guys keep fogging up.
And then I was like, I saw him coming to that opening, and he came in the clearing for me, so I was like, I'm gonna yelp and stop him. And then he didn't shoot right away. I was like, oh no.
I had a bunch of stuff in the way. I found a little hole.
Okay, so here's the funny part. I gotta change this battery quick. You know.
That made the 4-mile walk in here worth it, huh?
Yeah, you were not happy about that 4-mile walk. Okay, so we got your bird down though. That's done. Show the camera what else we found right before we set up on this bird. What you found, I should say.
We're sitting here, he's probably gobbling, what, 80 yards?
He was gobbling up there. And at first we were gonna sit on those two trees, but Seth was worried about not having a shot up there. And then we kind of were looking at this cluster of trees, and we're standing right here, trying to figure out what to do. Seth goes, dude. Elk shed.
What? Not a big one, but I'll take him.
No, I might have to look for that other side real quick. Pretty cool, dude.
That's sweet.
Let's go get some pictures, and then you and I have a 4 or 5 hour drive probably to the next state.
Yep.
Sweet. Hey.